Morning students, how are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Student, today we are going to start question number 3 of exercise 10.1. So first of all, read the statement of this question. What you have given in this? So let us start the solution of this. Here the statement is question number 3. You have, for each of the given solids, identify the top view, front view and side view. Here you have 5 parts, you have given some figures, and according to these figures you have to find the top, front and side view everywhere. So here solution of this. A part, first you write the first part, first part. This first part shows which show top, front or side view. Here first part show here we are having 3 boxes and 3 boxes can be seen only from the top. So this is our top view. First one shows top, then second. First shows top, second figure shows 2 boxes and 2 boxes can be seen only from the front. From front. So here this shows your front view. Then third figure is also showing 2 boxes and that can be seen from the side. The third figure is of side view. So here 2 and 3 can be interchanged also, because both we will see the same thing. Now see the B part. In B part, the first figure shows 2 boxes and 2 boxes can be seen only from side view. So this is your side view. Then second one, it is 3 boxes. So 3 boxes can be seen from front. So second one is your front view. Same way, the third figure shows the 4 boxes and 4 boxes can be seen only from top. So this is your top view. In this way you have to pick all these things. See the C part. Here in C part, the first figure shows 2 boxes and 2 boxes can be seen from the top only. So this is your top view. Then second one. Second figure shows 3 boxes and 3 boxes can be seen only from front. So this is your front view. Then third figure shows 4 boxes and 4 boxes can be seen from the front. So no, this is your side view. And this 4 boxes can be seen only from front. So this is your front view. This is the answer of third part. It is the front view. Now see the D part of this. In D part we can see the 2 boxes and 2 boxes can be seen only from side. The first figure is of side view. Same with this second one. In second we can see the 4 boxes and 4 boxes can be seen only from front. So this is your front view. Then third. Here we can see the 3 boxes and 3 boxes can be seen from the top only. So this is your top view. This is there. Now see the last part of this. Here in last part, the first figure shows the 3 boxes, 2 from the bottom, 1 in the top. So this is your front view. This is your front view. Second one. In second we can see 3 boxes, 2 in the top and 1 in the bottom. So this is the view of what? Top. 2 inside and 1 in front. So it is your top view. Now see the third part. And third part, 2 in the bottom and 1 in the side. So this is your side view. So here this question is complete. In fact, a question number 4 you have to draw the figure. So this exercise is complete. So this is for the day. Thank you.